Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Today we'll explore the HLOOKUP function, a powerful tool for quickly finding information in spreadsheets. Whether you're new to Excel or a seasoned user, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know about HLOOKUP. Let's dive into a practical example. To see how HLOOKUP works, here's a table showing quarterly sales data for products apples, bananas, and cherries. The syntax for HLOOKUP is as follows. Lookup value. This is the value you're searching for in the first row. Table array. This is the range of cells that contains your data with headers in the first row. Row index number. This is the number of the row in the table from which you want to retrieve the value. Range lookup. This is an optional argument. Use true for an approximate match or false for an exact match. If omitted, the default is true. Select the lookup value. Identify the range of your data, which includes our product names and quarterly sales data. Use false for an exact match. Let's cover some common mistakes and how to troubleshoot them. NA error. This occurs when the lookup value isn't found. Check your lookup value to ensure it exists in the table. F error. This happens when the row index number is greater than the number of rows in the table. Ensure your row index is correct. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks.